students, good noon. This is Nidhi Ghetia. Today we will discuss about the plants products. Okay, so let's be started. So today we are study these two components, that is one type of the disease condition and one type of the pathogens or plant products. Okay, so first one, that is the hallucinogens and teratogen. Second one, that is teratogen. Okay, hallucinogen and teratogen both are the one condition. They generate the body, they generate in body, then that's why body are unstable. Okay, so let's be started with the hallucinogens. So hallucinogens are the natural and synthetic substance that when ingested, that significantly alter one state of the consciousness. Okay, hallucinogen and are the natural and synthetic. So hallucinogens છે તે નેચરલ અને સિન્થેટિક બંને સ્ટેટમાં અવેલેબલ છે. ઓકે, so the substance they ingested that is the taken into the body. So significantly we take this hallucinogenic natural or synthetic substance after we ingested in the body. So they give the significantly alter one state to a state of the consciousness. Okay, consciousness that in Gujarati that's called the sabhanta. Okay, conscious and unconscious and conscious. So they after the hallucinogens, that is the one type of the unconscious or unstable mind condition. Okay, hallucinogen. So they significantly alter one state of the consciousness. Then on hallucinogen compounds often they causes people to see random color, pattern, event and object that do not exist. Okay, this hallucinogen compound છે તે એક પ્રકારનું જે કોઈ પણ માણસ એક રેન્ડમલી કોઈ એક કલર હોય, પેટર્ન હોય, ઇવેન્ટ હોય એને ફાઇન્ડ ના કરી શકે, એ પ્રકારનો એક ડિઝીઝ છે. ઓકે, then people sometimes have a different perception of the time and spare, hold imaginary conversation, believe they hear music and experience smell and taste and other sensation of that are not real. Okay, all about for the sensation, not in the real. So the other name of the hallucinogens are cartoon acid, microdots and magic mushroom. Okay, other names of the hallucinogens, that is cartoon acid, then microdots and magic mushroom. Then many types of these substances are classified as the hallucinogens solely because of their capacity of the produce the such as hallucination. Okay, hallucination they the one type of the condition for the body, they not stable or any one identification for the any one color, state, pattern. Okay, they don't able to find out this any one particular symptoms or color or pattern. Okay, so this stage that known as the hallucination. Like one type of the bhratakta, hallucination, that is the one type of the bhratakta. Okay, then this substance are sometimes called the psychedelic or mind expanding drug. Okay, and they are generally illegal to use in the US but are sometimes sold on the street by drug dealers. Okay, they illegal for the use in these US but sometimes sold on the street by drug dealers. Okay, a few hallucinogens have been used in the medicine to treat the certain disorder, but they must be given under the controller circumstance. Okay, then hallucinogens find out in the plants of the and mushrooms were used by the humans for the many centuries in the spiritual practice worldwide. Okay, then unlike such drugs as the barbiturates and amphetamine, which depress or speed up the central nervous system. Okay, and they also used in the hallucinogens are not physically addictive. Okay, સડનલી આપણે એને યુઝ કરતા થઈ જઈએ તો એની એક પ્રકારની એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ પણ આવી શકે છે, બટ એને ફ્રિકવન્ટલી લેવાનું નથી. થોડોક ટાઈમ તમે લઈ લો પછી એને મૂકી દેવાનું રહે છે, કેમ કે એની જે એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ આવે એ બોડી માટે હાર્મફુલ રહે છે. એટલે એ જે ડિઝીઝ કન્ડિશન હોય બાર્બિટ્યુરેટ અને એમ્ફેટામાઇન છે એ બંને હેલ્યુસિનોજન્સના એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. Okay, so they depress or speed up the central nervous system. They stimulate the CNS system. Okay, so that's why hallucinogens are not physically additive. Okay, and the real danger of the hallucinogens is not their toxicity but their unpredictability. Okay, they don't give the any more toxicity but their unpredictability. Okay, કોઈ પણ જાતની આપણે એનું ટોક્સિસિટી લેવલ ડિસાઇડ ના કરી શકીએ, પણ જે પણ એ ટોક્સિસિટી આપે છે એ એની જે અનપ્રેડિક્ટેબલ લેવલ સુધી આવે છે જો તમે ફ્રિકવન્ટલી એનો યુઝ કરો તો. બટ જે એની જે ડિઝીઝ કન્ડિશન હોય એને તમારે કોઈ પણ એક જે કંટ્રોલર હોય એની કન્ડિશનમાં રહીને તેના ડોઝીસ તમારે લેવાના હોય છે. Then the actual causes of the such hallucination are chemical substance in the plant. These substances are true narcotics. Okay, then contrary to popular opinion, not all narcotics are dangerous and addictive. ઓકે, હેલ્યુસિનોજન્સના જે સબસ્ટન્સ આવે છે એ બધા એકચ્યુઅલી ટ્રુ નાર્કોટિકના સબસ્ટન્સ છે, બટ નાર્કોટિક છે બધા નાર્કોટિક એ ડેન્જરસ ઇફેક્ટ અને એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ આપતા નથી. એમાંથી ઘણા નાર્કોટિક ડેન્જરસ ઇફેક્ટ અને એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ આપે છે, પણ બધા નાર્કોટિક સબસ્ટન્સ છે તે ડેન્જરસ અને એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ નથી આપતા. And a narcotic is any substance that have a depressed effect, whether slightly or great, on the CNS. Okay, then people have had such varied reaction to these substance, especially to lysergic acid and diethylamide, that is lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD. So that is virtually impossible to predict the effect of the hallucinogen they will have on the any given individual. Okay, then effect of the depend upon the person's mood, so surrounding personality and if expectation while taking a drug. Okay, effect on the depends upon the person's mood. Hallucinogens, that is the depends on the person's mood, like surrounding condition કેવી છે, તેની પર્સનાલિટી કેવી છે, એન્ડ ધેન એ જે ડ્રગ લે છે પછી એનું કેવી રીતે એની અંદર કોન્શિયસનેસમાં ચેન્જીસ આવે છે. ઓકે, ભ્રાતકતા જે એનું સિમ્ટમ્સ છે એમાંથી ને સભાન લાઈક કોન્શિયસનેસ કન્ડિશનમાં કેવી રીતે આવે છે કે એની ઇફેક્ટ થાય છે એક્સપેક્ટેશન વાઇલ ધી ટેકિંગ ધી ડ્રગ. ઓકે, then natural hallucinogens are formed in the dozen of the psychoactive plant, including the Phytocactus, various species of the mushroom, and the bark and seed of the several tree and plant. Okay, then marijuana and hashish, two substances derived from the hemp plant, that is cannabis sativa, are also considered natural hallucinogen, although their potency that is power in very low when compared to the others. Okay, then marijuana, a green herb that the flower of the hemp plant, is considered a mild hallucinogen. Then hashish and marijuana is a very more potent concentrated form. Okay, more potent, these both are the more potent drugs. So both the drugs usually smoked. Okay, both the drugs usually used in the smoking, so preparation of the cigarette and other smoking like ganjo, cigarette like hookahs, એ બધામાં એનું યુઝ થાય છે marijuana and hashish નો. Okay, then their effect including this feeling of the relaxation, faster heart rate, the sensation that time is passing more slowly, and greater sense of the hearing, taste, touch, and smell. Okay. Then medicinal use of the hallucinogens. So, as the in the medicinal use, hallucinogens have been studied for the possible medical uses, including the treatment of some forms of the mental illness, alcoholism, and addiction to the drug opium. Okay, as the medicinal purpose, hallucinogens used in the treatment of the mental illness. Okay, mentally unstable person માટે આ ટ્રીટમેન્ટમાં હેલ્યુસિનોજન્સ યુઝ થાય છે. દેન આલ્કોહોલિઝમના એડિક્ટિવ હોય, અધર ઓપિયમ ડ્રગના એડિક્ટિવ હોય, એ લોકોની ટ્રીટમેન્ટ માટે હેલ્યુસિનોજન યુઝ થાય છે. બિકોઝ એની કોઈ એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ જાજી આવતી નથી. બહુ ફ્રિકવન્ટલી તમે લો છો તો એની એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ લાંબા સમયે આવે છે, બટ જલ્દી તમને એની એડિટિવ ઇફેક્ટ આવતી નથી. Okay, then they have also been given to dying patient. Okay, then most of these uses have been abandoned, and a synthetic form of the active chemical marijuana, cannabinol, okay, THC, tetrahydrocannabinol, has been approved to prescription used by the cancer patient who suffer from the severe nausea after the receiving chemotherapy. Okay. Then THC is also used to reduce the eye pressure in treating severe cases of the glaucoma. Then phencyclidine that is PCP is occasionally used by the veterinary as an anesthetic and sedative for the animals. Okay, veterinarian. Then now we will see the second one topic, that is teratogens. So these agents can cause the birth defect. Okay, teratogen, that is the one type of the birth defect by prematurely altering the structure and or function of the organ exposed to them during the development. Okay, like one type of the birth defect or immature baby, એની અંદર આ બધા લાઈક સ્ટ્રક્ચર કોઈ આપને જોવામાં આવે તો કોઈ પાર્ટમાં ડિફેક્ટ રહી ગયો હોય, આઈધર કોઈ એના અંદરના ઇનર ફંક્શનમાં ડિફેક્ટ રહી ગયું હોય, તો પણ એ જ્યારે એનો બર્થ થાય ત્યારથી જ ટેરાટોજનની ઇફેક્ટ્સ આવે છે. ઓકે, સો ધેર વોઝ રિપોર્ટેડલી 5,10,000 death in 2010 due to the congenital defect of all the birth defect. Teratogens constitute to about 10%, and other factors including genetic defect, poor mental nutrition and maternal nutrition, and infection and environmental toxins. Okay, so if a plant teratogenic toxin has to exert in if the effect it has to be present in a high enough dose, then have a ability to cross the placenta and manifest its effect during the specific term of the gestation. Okay, then this can cause the fatal death and grows the abnormality. Okay, grows the abnormality. Then based on their mechanism, they can cause the vascular disruption, oxidative stress, and can target specific receptor and enzymatic site, cause the endocrine and central nervous system disruption, and they may affect a single anatomical features or an entire system. Okay, so teratogens are composed that induce the congenital defect through insult to a developing concept. Plant teratogens affecting livestock has not moved forward in a systematic way, nor has it been an over by crowded field of the investigation even through the teratology itself is Burgio field. Okay, Burgeoning field. Okay, burgeoning field. So the as the practically part consideration required to attention be direct to following. Okay, so the plant responsible for the deformity must be identified as when this information is coupled with the consideration of the general principle that related to the introduction of the congenital deformities by teratogens. The process can be made on the practical level, the reducing inducing incidence. Okay, so this teratogenic that one type of the deformity in the identifying some symptoms or some congenital deformities. Okay, and so they why that's why જે બોડીની અંદર અમુક પ્રેક્ટિકલ લેવલ્સ હોય છે, જેના પ્રિન્સિપલ્સ હોય છે, એના અલગ અલગ પ્રિન્સિપલ્સ છે, બટ જે અંદરથી જે કોન્જિવેન્ટલ ડિફોર્મિટીઝને બાય બર્થ તમને આવેલું હોય છે એના માટે જવાબદાર ટેરાટોજન્સ છે. Then now we will see the principle governing introduction of the congenital defect by teratogens. So it is a new recognized that certain plant ingested by livestock during the pregnancy are responsible for the some of the common congenital defect of the livestock. Okay, so now number one, first one principle, that is genotype determines susceptible genetic inheritance is not responsible for the teratogen inducing effect, but there is non-ethnes considerable variation to teratogen susceptibility among the genotype. Okay, genotype type determination જે type છે principle number 1, એમાં susceptibility genetic inheritance is not responsible for the teratogen induced defect. ઓકે, જે ઇનહેરિટન્સ ને જે પણ કન્ડિશન ડ્યુરિંગ પ્રેગ્નન્સી થતી હોય તો એના માટે ટેરાટોજન ઇન્ડ્યુસ ડિફેક્ટ એમાં હોઈ શકે એવું કાંઈ છે નહીં, બટ ધેર ઇઝ અ નન ઇથનેસ considerable variation to the teratogen susceptibility among the genotype. Then second one principle, that is the teratogen must reach the conceptus or produce an influence which does because virally are abundant unbounded chemicals in maternal plasma have access to the conceptus across the placenta. An important consideration is whether they or their metabolites reach the conceptance. Okay, this is the second one number principle. Now we will see the third number principle. So in third number principle, deformities induced by the teratogens does depend. Okay, deformities induced by the some teratogens, that is the totally depends. Then factors that determine those the plant teratogens that determine does dose of the plant teratogens. Okay, so to the conceptance is in the livestock included the following amounts of the plant eaten, amount liberated from the ingesta, and amount surviving degradation in the rumen and elsewhere in the gut. Okay, જ્યાં જ્યાં લિબરેટ થાય છે, તમે જ્યાં જ્યાં પ્લાન્ટ્સ છે એ કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ અંદર લે છે, આઈધર લિબરેટ કરે છે, આઈધર કોઈમાં ટ્રાન્સફર કરે છે, આઈધર કોઈ વસ્તુનું સર્વાઇવિંગ થાય અને ડિગ્રેડ થાય છે, એન્ડ ગટમાં જાય છે, અમાઉન્ટ ઓફ ધી એબ્ઝોર્બ્ડ ઇન ધી મેટર્નલ સર્ક્યુલેશન એન્ડ અમોંગ્સ ધી સર્વાઇવિંગ મેટાબોલિઝમ ઇન ધી dam, and amount passing the placenta and reaching the circulation of the conceptus and finally amount reaching the site of insult at the susceptibility gestational period. Okay, that's known as the gestational period. Then fourth one principle, that is a teratogen can produce the rat bar. Okay, that rat bar. Then deformities at the high dose. Many teratogens either will the conceptus or the dam. So in livestock, a higher incidence of the abortion or resorption may accompany or single a problem with the plant. Okay, this is the process in the plant for the teratogens can produce the red bar then deformities at the high dose. Okay, teratogens na high dose આવે તો એનાથી deformity is no condition generate થઈ શકે છે. Then many teratogens either will conceptance or the dam. So in the livestock higher incidence of the abortion. Okay, ક્યારેક મોટા એવા ઇન્સિડન્સ થઈ જાય છે કે જે ટેરાટોજન્સ વધારે પડતું એનો જે ડ્રગ્સનું લેવાય જાય હાયર ડોઝ, તો અબોર્શનની રિઝોપ્શનની એબ્ઝોપ્શન અને રિઝોપ્શનની કન્ડિશન આવી શકે છે. ઓકે, એબ્ઝોપ્શન એન્ડ રિઝોપ્શન then may accompany or single and problem with the plant. Okay, then fifth one number principle, that is the conceptors must be exposed at the susceptible development during the development period, during the development of the susceptance or the dam. Okay, so in livestock gastrointestinal period, but particularly during first the rod, for teratogens to induce a specific deformity, it must exert its influence at the exactly right moment in a gestation. Then now we will see the sixth one principle. So teratogen extract their effect by specific mechanism. Structurally, these dissimilar teratogens may influence the same mechanism and give rise to similar deformities as the view. Okay, some teratogens their effect by specific mechanism. Okay, કેટલાક teratogens છે એની specific mechanism હોય છે. Then structurally dissimilar teratogens may influence the same mechanism and give the rise to similar deformities. Okay, then lupinous species could produce the disease. In fact, severity of deformities was directly related to the concentration of the enigerin present in the preparation fed with about 30 mg per kilogram, producing the severe effect. ઓકે, 30 mg પર કિલોગ્રામનો તમે ડોઝ આપો છો તો એ સિવિયર ઇફેક્ટ આપી શકે છે. ધેન કોનિયમ મેક્યુલેટમ, બોથ કોકેન એન્ડ કોનિસેનમ સેઇન, two piperidine alkaloids of the plant are the teratogens responsible for the condition. Livestock class vary in the susceptible to the both the toxic and teratogenic effect of the conians. Okay, conians, so they give the both toxic and teratogenic effect, conians. Then concentration of the teratogens in the plant is highly variable, thus there is a little hope to lower dose by selective grazing during the low hazard period, such as can be done with the lupin. So non-teratogenic plant with the unidentified teratogens. Okay, નોન ટેરાટોજેનિક પ્લાન્ટ્સ આપને જે ખબર હોય છે કે આ ટેરાટોજેનિક પ્લાન્ટ છે પણ એને પાછું યુનિડેન્ટિફાઈડ પણ ટેરાટોજન્સમાં કન્સિડર કરવામાં આવે છે. એન્ડ astragalus, some of the astragalus plant known to causing the classical locoism. For an example, Astragalus lentiginus and Astragalus pubescentium also induce the deformities and deformities and abortion in offering from the dam and ingested this plant during the gestation. ઓકે, પ્લાન્ટ્સની અંદર જે ફર્ટિલિટી પ્રોસેસ હોય એને થોડીક વીક પાડી દે છે, એટલે કે ડિફોર્મિટીઝ ડેવલપ થાય, આઈધર અબોર્શન ઇન offspring from the dams and ingested the plant during the gestation period. જે એનું ગેસ્ટેશન પીરિયડ હોય ને ત્યારે એની જે ફર્ટિલિટી પ્રોસેસ જે હાયર પ્રમાણમાં થવી જોઈએ એ હાયર પ્રમાણમાં નથી થતી. ધેટ ઇઝ ધી વન ટાઈપ ઓફ ધી disadvantage, like one type of the toxic effect of the teratogens. Then nicotinamina plant are interesting teratogenic effect occurs in the offspring from showing the allowed to graze vast status of the Nicotiana telecum during the gestation. Okay. Then now we will see the suscepted teratogenic plant. So Datura Eli Peled et al. That is 1973 speculated that on an outbark of the arthrogryposis in the newborn pigs in Kansas was due maternal ingested of the plant Datura stromonium during the second and third month of the pregnancy. Furthermore, after the plants there was eradicated, no case turned up and following years. Okay, then cyanogenic glycoside containing plant to otherwise unrelated plants, sorghum, sudanus and Prumus sartonine, which are believed to cause the livestock deformities. Okay. Then if the plant prove the teratogenic by seedling trial, perhaps the cyanide could be responsible for the deformities in view of the Lenu teratogenic propensity of hypoxia and the ability of the cyanide to induce the hypoxic state and reported teratogenicity of the amyglidine and cyanogenetic glycoside in the hamsters. Okay. Then some factors of the teratogens influence the teratogenic. So the nature of the teratogenic agent, the dose and rogue of the delivery into the embryo of fetus during and frequency odd exposure. Okay, so first one, that is leupimus, that factor 1, that is leupimus. So they related with the food and health related uses. Okay, leupimus food and health related માટે use થાય છે. Then second one, that is senecio, so contain the biocides in the form of the alkaloids. તો senecio એની અંદર biocides present હોય છે, તો એ in form of the alkaloids. Then veratrinum, so used in the cancer treatment but contain the cyclopamine. Okay, cancer treatment માં use થાય છે, એની અંદર cyclopamine present છે. And then Vinca rosea, so Vinca rosea, they constitute main constituent, that is vinclystin and vinblastine. So they both are the constituents used in the chemotherapy, that is anti-cancer. Then sorghum, so used as the food and biofuel. Then sixth one, that is Indigofera spreata. So some used of the analgesic and anti-inflammatory drug. Then astragalus used in the herb medicine in traditional Chinese Persian medicine. Okay. Then the Colchium and Enutumus use the medicine of the anti-cancer. Okay, medicine for the anti-cancer, that is Colchium Enutumanas. Okay, Colchium Enutumanas. Then say ninth one, that is Dhatura stromonium, used for the asthma treatment due to the presence of the atropine. Okay, due to the presence of the atropine in use for the asthma treatment. And last one, that is Asparagus racemosus. So they having the methanolic extract, can cause the growth of the malformation in fetus, can increase the rate of the reabsorption in the fetus, and may also in intrauterine growth. Okay, so they used for the growth of the malformation in fetus, and also they increase the rate of the reabsorption in the fetus because of the intrauterine growth, are also they increase the intrauterine growth. Okay, so now we will end the our session of the hallucinogen and teratogens. So thank you to all.